I think this event is important because it can bring children to learn what we're doing in school. Honestly, all of this is really fun and cool and nice to see.
I was most looking forward to how to code and how to build robots.
The best part is honestly helping the kids. It brings joy to me because kids are very interested.
We've definitely learned art in this and like computer science. It's really fun.
I coded a robot and show of how our robot works and moves.
Yeah, I think what's so great is that there's such a wide variety of booths here. Science, technology, arts, mathematics, it doesn't mean just one thing. A great learning opportunity to see kind of the breadth that's covered by these skill sets.